I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and this is a 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide. In the front fairing, we've installed the Hertz Audio ST25A horn tweeters. This gives a really nice, clear highs. The rear bag lids, we have the Hertz Audio CX690 6x9 speakers. We added two Hertz Audio 8-inch mid-bass subwoofers, one on each side. We also installed two sound digital amplifiers totaling 1600 watts. If you guys want an awesome sound system like this setup, come to the experts, Santa Clarita Auto Sound.